say that's an Ace of Discs support level. There should be a lot of ground covered here. So like there might be an unexpected gain here, but it's like a cluster again over here. But I think Princess of Discs is this support level right here. Let's do this horizontal as well. Should say here. I like here better. So it's kind of like in this range between these two. Based on the placement of this, and the horse, there should be a notable move here, and it looks like we're going into it, but it does complete, like the rally completes in this last hour as well, and they're selling from a crest down to and through support level, and then a U-shaped reversal. And you can see there's a U-shaped dip here in the post market, so they probably kind of are combined together. I'm advised to open up protection. Queen of Cups is another one that's kind of tricky for relativity purposes because it's a yes card that's a decline. Hey Philip, how you doing, man? So if you guys don't know what I'm doing, I don't know who's watching, who's not, but if you don't know what I'm doing, I'm basically marking up all of the relationships along a series of timeline cards with significator cards or correlator cards, if you will. And that's how I determine where things will transpire. I would expect more of a move there than that. Well, okay, so we had this ruin here. Followed by this. there should be a notable gain here. Looks like we're still going up. I mean, like significant gain, like maybe almost back to where we started, almost, which could happen based on the theme card being the power card. It's a price level card, a support card, and generally speaking, it's kind of like a. Actually, I think it's a no. Let me check my notes here. Pretty sure it's a no. Yeah, it's a no. Okay, so it's kind of like a sideways. It's for like a closing price or trend direction. It's kind of like a sideways or a down sideways. From what I'm seeing on the reading, it's to buy puts. Buy puts at like a crest here towards the end of the day, in the midst of this big move that we're seeing happening here. Yeah, see, now we just broke out, so we should move pretty. We probably will hit like here. We could probably hit here. Well, let's see. I mean, technically we could go a lot higher because this is a price movement card. It means a lot of ground is covered, protection, and this is very high up here. From clairkinetic sort of perspective, this is a high here, and we have the completion of a rally. Also, this is an unexpected gain, which nobody's expecting, right? Nobody's expecting a gain here. Will Apple dump a goo after earnings? Look at that move. See, I stopped trading and back to accuracy. I can't trade, guys. It's not meant for me to do. I probably pre-paved it in a past life to protect myself from getting an ego. Egos are very dangerous when you're fifth dimensional traveler. You don't want to get stuck in an ego. I mean, we all have an ego, but like, you know, a big head, bad place to be. You can get lost there. If you're just hopping on to TikTok, guys, we're live on YouTube right now looking at an S&P 500 live chart side by side with the tarot reading that we did for the day. The tarot reading was, I'll get to you, Solon Garuger. Just give me a minute. It was created on August 25th, 2022, the reading that we're looking at. And pretty accurate, I'd say, especially here at the end with this out of nowhere move to the upside that nobody was expecting, except for the people that are watching this channel. The people watching this channel were expecting this move, without a doubt, because I said it like a million times, and also in the recording weeks ago. So, you know, if you're a trader or you're interested in stocks, we have roughly a 98% average accuracy. That doesn't mean we see everything. I don't see everything for whatever reason. Like, I can see and have that kind of accuracy for other people, but when I do it for myself, it's like the universe is like, you know what I mean? So it's a great gift to have to give to people, and it's all free. There's like 905 predictions on YouTube free right now. We just released the 2023 S&P 500, or it's releasing on Monday, and we just released the Silver 2023. Both of those readings are probably two of the best readings I've ever done, just so you guys know. The Silver 2023 and the S&P 500 2023 that's coming out on Monday, I believe. Two of the best readings to date that I've done. So in the midst of the rally, guys, in the midst of the rally, there's the completion of a rally here, right? I would expect more of a move than that. This is probably a little bit of a fake out here, because we've got what? We're at the end of the day. Okay, we could have a turnaround here, because there is a completion of a rally followed by a decline off of a crest. So this spike right here would be where I'd be advised to open up protection if I was to trade, which I'm not. It also would go hand in hand with this trade window that we have, the purple. If you're just hopping on the TikTok, guys, we're live on YouTube. Guys, I'm not doing yes or no questions. We're doing stock and crypto related questions today. And you can check us out live on YouTube, Tarot for Traders, but it's with the word 4 instead of the number 4. We're live looking at an S&P 500 chart side by side with the reading we did for the day. Super, almost. There is a low there, but I would have liked to seen a low correlation here at the end of the day too. That would have been nice. So pretty solid for what we saw, just missing a few components of behavior in the reading, which will happen. We don't see everything. Well, sometimes we do, but not always. All right, guys, let's see. Will Apple dump after earnings? I gotta say, I was expecting more of a move at the end of the day too. Yeah, it does. So what happens? Solon Garuger, Apple's gonna shoot up pretty high to like a distant resistance and then dump. It'd be like a brief peak. So will it open up lower tomorrow? direction will it open tomorrow in relation to its price level today? It looks like tomorrow it actually opens higher. Let me take a look at Apple guy real quick. I mean, there's a ton of things that you could invest $20 in and get a lot of money out, but what's your time horizon? Like, in what amount of time do you want to get a return on that investment? Guys, if you're just hopping onto TikTok, we're live on YouTube, looking at a live S&P 500 chart side by side with the tarot reading that we did for the day. Just like we do every day at 3 p.m. I wouldn't say I called it because I was expecting more of a move to the upside, but let's take a look at Apple for 2022 in October. We're looking at Apple live on a chart now in relation to the October reading that we did, day by day reading. Nella, what's your time horizon on that $20? When do you want to see a return on that investment? Are you doing long term, short term? What are you looking for? Yeah, so my sense is tomorrow there's a bit of a rally first, early in the day, Solengurger, for Apple. There's a little bit of a rally early in the day, but it breaks down pretty quickly. We stay above a price level just briefly, and then we break down through multiple support. Because see, this is the... Strife card hitting that resistance. Hey guys, if you're just hopping on, we're doing stock and crypto related questions today. You can also check us out live on our YouTube channel right now. We're looking at a live chart of the Apple of AAPL shares side by side with the October reading that we did for it. Yeah, okay. One, two, three. See, that's Strife right there. That's the Strife card on, what is this, the 26th? Okay, awesome, right on the ball. And then we do kind of like three pokes through the same price level. Two of them are in the pre-market, but then we have a sharp decline off of that. That puts us here. I would say that there's a very strong likelihood that we're going lower in Apple tomorrow. Very strong likelihood, because you have another low the following day and another very strong decline card. These are both strong decline cards. And sometimes what will happen is you'll get a low and then continue to decline after a little bit of a pop. And then you'll get another low that's lower. That's what it looks like's happening here with Apple. Yeah, and that would stand. I mean, it was a rally, right? Majority of the month, it was a rally. This is the first day of October there, right? And then we're at a place now where, see this orange correlation here. It means it correlates to the theme card. In the case of this reading, the theme card, overall trend direction, is a rally, offering an opportunity to position oneself for a downturn. I think we were talking about Apple going into another low, right? Let me take a look at the 1 year. June, low in, what is this, September. There's a low in September there, you could say. Oh, actually, this is still September. This is the low. Oh. Okay, low in September. So we should see one again in November, basically. So this rally here that we had in October is setting us up for a position to open up a short position for more decline into another year's low in November. So yeah, I would say if you're stressed about like being short on Apple or something, and you're worried about like a pop, even if there's a pop, like, which there may be a little bit of a move higher, but even so, it's still a decline day, and we're going much lower. There's another low for the month coming, and then there's another low for the year in November. That's what I see for Apple. Guys, if you're just hopping on the TikTok, we are live on our YouTube channel looking at live stock charts in relation to the readings that we've done on them. We just talked about Apple. Now we're going back to the S&P 500 for a bit. Hey guys, we're doing stock and crypto related questions today. Alright, so we had the high, and I did say yesterday, it looks like we probably are having the high today. That's what I said yesterday anyhow. And it looks like we did set up for that. Revisit a support level that was recently a past opportunity. Doesn't mean that it's an opportunity this time when we visit it. It just means that it recently was a past opportunity. And it looks like that high is briefly met. Look how quick that high was. Like if we go look at the day, we hit that price level for like, I don't know, a minute or two. So you could say that's indolence right there, bam, off of the high, which would put us into indolence, or in the decline part of indolence, or possibly even into a U-shaped dip that we have here for Priestess. I left one card off when I was doing the reading accidentally, so I pulled the card later on to add to it. And lo and behold, it wasn't a card that had already appeared. Oh, go figure. Of course not. Yeah, you got it, man. Thanks for your support. Especially after earlier this week when I was so dead ass wrong, guys. Like, I'm just not going to trade anymore. It's like it skews my judgment of the readings. And it's kind of cool. I feel like I'm on vacation. Like, I don't have to like constantly think about, oh, market's moving. It's pretty cool. That's okay, Jasmine. No worries. We're doing stock and crypto related questions today, guys. If you're interested, we're also live on YouTube right now, streaming the S&P 500 chart live by the minute chart. It's side by side with our October reading or our October 27th reading by the hour. So we're basically taking a look and seeing how it panned out. And this is pretty much like, I mean, pretty much sideways. It's sideways with a little bit of a bearish, like I said, sideways with the bearish thing going on, but a lot of sideways behavior back and forth, which is what makes it difficult to read. Also the change card around the high, as well as another like price swing kind of card. And the price level here, that significant resistance, that science price level area that we may... Do we see science again? Well, see, there's that halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through a key support level. That key support level is probably the science card, because we're so close to it, and we already established that as a very significant price level for October. There's going to be a significant drop right here. Wow. I expect it to move a lot higher at the end of the day before the drop. But we're dropping from a low price level. It's going to be a significant drop, guys. We've got the Magus card tomorrow too, and the Ace of Discs at the low. Why was it this card? Doesn't make sense to me. I mean, that is a significant halting of a bullish trend. That was the first opportunity I missed. So we were just talking about, guys, I was expecting a more of an unexpected gain here. We did have, it is an unexpected gain because you think we break down through that price level, we continue to go, but there's an unexpected gain there first, offering that opportunity to open up a short position or open up put, long put. But I expected much more of a move, and being that we didn't see that big of a move, it indicates to me that we have a strong decline on our hands, guys. How about that early morning trade, though, in the midst of the decline? Open up a long position, sell it when we hit a resistance level here. Boom. I wonder if anybody followed that instruction and made some money there. So I did indicate to do that yesterday for a quick day trade. You guys want to see before I roll? Anything you want me to look at? Any questions you might have? Is Amazon going to rally hard to the highs? I'll take a look. Baz, if you check out our YouTube channel, you can actually see the Amazon reading that I'll be looking at when I answer your question. It's Tarot for Traders on YouTube. We're live streaming right now as well. October. So I'm looking at the October reading for Amazon side by side with the chart live on our YouTube channel. Feel free to follow along. Amazon October. That would be a negative. Amazon is not rallying hard tomorrow. We may see a lower price level tomorrow. There's bullish price swings, but let me take a look at the daily and see if this elaborates anything for me. Sideways S. So my sense is that we're likely opening with Amazon. We're likely opening. We're likely opening lower tomorrow, and then there's bullish price swings out of that low. That's my sense for Amazon Vaz Dahar. If you're just hopping on TikTok, guys, we're live on YouTube looking at live stock charts side by side with the readings that we have for them. These are stock readings. These are tarot readings like no other tarot readings you'll find anywhere else. This was developed over 22 years in secret to identify chart behavior, chart patterns through pattern recognition, utilizing tarot cards. And we now have a 98 after 20, almost 23 years of doing this. Predicting the S&P 500 by the hour, we have roughly a 98% average accuracy, and we predict every single day. I mean, all of October is predicted. All of November is pretty much predicted. I'm working on December right now. You can see me doing it live on YouTube right now. I'm working on December 6th. So go check it out, guys, and don't forget to follow and like and all that stuff. I'll take any final questions you guys might have. And then I'm going to roll. I'll grab some water real quick, and then I'll be right back. Ooh, what an auspicious number. I'd probably be jumping into Amazon on these lows, guys. Based on the sneak preview card. Maybe not yet. Looks like on the 4th. Whoa, look at that drop on Amazon. Look at that. Holy crap, it just dropped below it's below $100 now. Bang bang. Did I not just say that? People need to recognize this is a system of pattern recognition like no other. People see tarot cards and are like, ooh, tarot cards. First off, tarot cards are so real. If you know how to use them, 100% real. They work off of entanglement, quantum entanglement. That's how they work. Quantum entanglement and fractal reality. The fact that we live in a fractal reality, a multiverse. So, you know, check it out. All the predictions are free. There's no reason. I don't accept, like, I don't trade people's brokerage accounts for them. This isn't a Ponzi scheme. I don't ask people to have me trade their money. People have asked me and I say no. Why would I want to do that? You know, they're free predictions, so check it out. Don't forget to follow, my friends. Like just after the drop, just after I took a look at it and said we're opening lower tomorrow. Boom. Boom. All right, guys, I'm rolling. Thank you for watching. Hopefully everybody's doing all right. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. There's more stuff coming out. Look out for that silver. The silver 2023 came out, guys. That's one of the 2 best readings that I've done to date. I've been doing investment readings for years and years and years. It's one of the best ones I've done. And then the S&P 500, I took special care to do it under a very auspicious astrological period of time, and it's super solid. They're my 2 best readings to date. So check them out. The S&P 500 one comes out on Monday. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. See you.